Hello friends, I present to your attention the BORIKA FASTen navigation flag. It is designed to navigate on the water in the daytime and evening. It is also used as an additional reference point for indicating the position of the boat in low light conditions, if the navigation lights don't work or are turned off. The flag is bright orange in color and has a reflective stripe. The design consists of a triangular cloth, the FASTen, that allows the flag to be fixed on top of the telescopic monopod for action cameras or navigation light holder. The feather mounting has been designed in such a way as to prevent the cloth from wrapping around the flagpole in windy conditions. The flag is made of weather-resistant synthetic fabric. Fastener is made of polyamide. The range also includes a mount that can be supplemented with a flag sewn according to your individual wishes. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.